Okay. We got a flood happening in our basement, so I came up with this contraption. It's just a hose out the window and a stick. And I've taped the stick and the hose to the hose to the stick. As you can see. It goes all the way down, all the way down. And the bottom of the hose is not quite level with the bottom of the stick because I don't want that hose flat on the ground. I want it just a millimeter or two off the ground. So, that hose is in the water where it's the deepest in this room. It's 1 inch deep. And yeah, so if you're going to do this, put it wherever the water is, the floor is at its lowest level. There you go. And we take that hose outside, leave that there. Oops, gotta secure that. I should secure that. I will in a minute. I just want to show you what we're doing outside. Okay. That should be all good. And the flooded floor. Flood, flood. Flood, flood. Oh, flood, flood. There's the hose. Out the window. And because we're on a slope that's... Yeah? Good. It's already working. Huh?
Go film the ending of it.
Okay. So we had to have the
Go film the end. Go
end of the... Oh, here we go. It's working. Great. Haha. I'm so clever. I really am. So, yeah, we wanted it to go downhill. So we had to have a long hose. If your home or wherever is on a nice slant, you don't need quite the length of hose that we have. But look at that! Look at that! Yeah! Yeah, that is coming off of my bathroom, off of our basement floor. And I'm going to show you how fast that room drains. And it's just a stick and some tape and a hose. And yeah, you've got to, it's got to be downhill of the house. But look at that! Yeah. All right. So, we'll go back and see how that's looking up the top. Oh, man. Yeah. And we're in, yeah, Sydney, Australia. And it's been raining like a mother for days. So, up, up, up.
Still running?
Yeah, it's perfect. And there we have it. The hose through the window. Yeah, sucking all that water out. That took about 5 minutes to set up, guys. Let's see how we're going. Whether that is working. Looking good. I know it's working. Oh, yeah, see that? Already. Already. That's like, what? 2 minutes. Oh, there it is. Oh, we have to put that in place. Alright, that's why it stopped working. Josh, it stopped working. Alright, I'll end it there. He's going to have to suck on the other end of that hose and get that started again. Or, of course, just fill up the hose with water before you take it down the road. Bye!